I recently helped one of my clients go from 500 to 5000 followers on Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to share all the secrets with you so that you can achieve the same results. So I got this client from my Instagram. I guess the client found me when they searched with the term social media manager, and she reached out to me and we had this conversation, and then we took it forward and we started working together. Initially there was this yes no whether we'll work together or not thing, but then when we finally started working together, the first thing that we focused on is experimenting with the content. That is what we do with any account that we start working on, right? We do our research, we create a strategy, and we also experiment a lot in the first few months, which is first 2-3 months. And then we try to analyze everything and decide what is working, what is not. And we did the same thing and we doubled down on what was working the best for us. For example, the client wanted to focus mainly on talking videos. So we were doing more of that initially, along with carousels and B-roll reels. Now, when I researched the person's industry, I saw that a lot of people were creating more B-roll reels. So I suggested the client that we focus on that, and that's what we started doing. And when we did that, we saw that actually we are getting traction. So we doubled down on that. So that is the first thing that you need to remember, is double down on whatever is working the best for your account. The second thing that we did is we niche down. Now this did not happen like at the very first. Initially we wanted to reach, everyone, and the target audience was really broad, not very broad, but it was broad enough to confuse us. So we wanted to reach everyone, but then somehow along the lines we decided that let's focus on this small community. And when we did that, we started getting a lot of follows from those people. We started getting a lot of leads, and that's when we knew that niching down is so very important, especially if that is possible for your account. And I think this is what has helped my husband grow his YouTube channel as well. Initially he was targeting a very niched community, and that is what gave him the initial boost. Now he is able to target a much broader audience, and that works fine. Next thing that we did is posted at the same time every day. So Monday to Friday we were posting at the same time with no changes. And I think the algorithm loves that. Obviously the post timing is something that you need to decide based on the target audience, when they are active, where your client is located, and things like that. Also in the Instagram analytics section you get some data on when the audience is most active. You can use that and start posting during that time. We did a mix of everything and we came up with this time, and we have stuck to it till date, and it is working so well for us. The next thing that we did is we started addressing the pain points of the target audience. There is so much content out there sometimes that we forget that what kind of content we need to create. So one of the things that really helped us is addressing the pain points of the target audience, and not through just one format. So one thing is, if we know the target audience has this specific problem, we talk about the problem, we give them the solution, we ask them to reach out to us, but we also try to build a connection with them, that how we were also in the same situation, or how we were in a similar space, how we dealt with it. So we address the pain points through a lot of point of views, perspectives, and that again helped us reach more and more people. The next thing that really helped is engagement. A lot of people still don't know about this and don't focus on this at all, but growing on any platform, not any, Instagram and LinkedIn at least, you need to engage with other accounts. whether it's other influencers or big accounts. And yes, we did not engage with the accounts of target audience because that was not possible here. So we engaged with accounts that will have a lot of my clients' target audience. So big accounts, influencers in a certain location, pages in a certain location. We started engaging with these, and we have been doing it consistently before and after posting, and that again has brought so much visibility, so many followers, and so many leads. So that's it. These are the things that have taken us from 500 to 5000 followers. The only thing that people are not able to do is be consistent with these things. That is why you need a social media manager. Otherwise, with other things in your life, it really gets difficult to stay consistent, and I understand that. But I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to know how to grow your LinkedIn personal brand before 2026 starts, go and watch this video.